Welcome to Mercy's Little Show. My name's Mercy, and this is my little show. Today I got my Look Crate. Today's theme is, or their theme is rewind. I guess it's stuff from back in the 80s. I might not know some of this, but we'll see. So let's get started. Alright. First up, let's see, okay. First up is Black Tie Geek. I don't know. Let's try to open it. Oh, there we go. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, it's a tie. Okay. Ooh, it's super silky and smooth and all that. I don't know how to do ties, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it around my neck because it looks good. Okay, next up is So Analog Loot Crate exclusive. What is this? I have no idea what this is. We'll have to open it. Because, yeah. Oh. Okay. It's that, but it comes with oh, I see it. Okay. Hold on. We'll put it together real quick so you all can see it. If it wants to go in. Yeah, I don't know what this would go to from like back in the 80s. Yeah. Apparently I don't know what that is. And then there you go. That is super. Oh! Oops. Oh! I cut up my arm. Let's put it back on there. Hold on a second, guys. I locked my dog in here. We'll be right back. Let me let him out. And I'm back. Okay. Alright. Got that. Next up. Oh, these are super cool. Some sunglasses. Wait, hold on. I gotta take the sticker off. There we go. We're good. Ready? Oh yeah. Alright, next up. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. Comic notebook. 64 pages of never before seen action and adventure. Sweet. Let's see. Oh, come on. You know you want to open for me. There it goes. I don't think I see it. Sweet. Oh, that's like a... Oh, that's so cool. That's cool. Next up. Alright. Let's see, what's this? My shirt. My shirt. Okay. I don't know what it is. Really, I don't. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna try this on real quick. Take this off. Da-na, 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 da-na. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. Sweet. Awesome. Real quick, for shirts. You can change your shirts every month if you want to. You know, if you wanna, for like me sometimes, I will get one of the men's shirts, but I had a woman's shirt this time. So, and also, like I said, you can change the sizes too. You know, if you wanna get one for your kids or something, they'll have sizes for that too. Alright, next up. Ooh. It's a Loot Crate button. Oh, hope you can see that. That's really cool. And then they've got the little book. Just tells you what everything is in here. So I'm gonna read that after I get done doing this. Figure out what some of these are. So yeah. Okay, I knew this was gonna be in here. The Star Wars #1. I wasn't excited to read it when I heard about it. So, you know, I might change my mind after I read it. And then I really don't. Wait. Yeah. The box. I really don't know what it is. Sorry. If you guys don't know what Loot Crate is, it's a monthly subscription for geeks and gamers. Sorry guys. So yeah. I like everything in this box. So, if you did like this video, please give a like up and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mercy's Little Show, no W. Love you guys. Bye!